Hello guys, today we will be unboxing the Lycan fog lamps from Maddog. Maddog is a serious player in the market, well known for its superb quality products. This fog lamp is rated 80 watts, which is enormously bright. First we have the branding stickers, which looks pretty. In the box, we have the fastener kit, warranty card, and a cute little Maddog keychain. We have the mounting clamps. This looks indeed heavy and sturdy. Now comes the main units. This consists of 7 LEDs with a muscularly strong waterproof aluminum casing. It has the Lycan branding on it. The connector feels to be of high quality material, which also has the Maddog branding punched on it. This is the second lamp. Similar to the other one, each lamp is rated at 40 watts. Now, coming to the rest, we have the switch mount. The switch itself. Very tactile buttons and waterproof. The switch also has the branding punched on its back. We can see braided wiring and sealed couplers for this switch, which makes it very reliable and indeed water resistant. We have couple of mounting straps with the official branding on it. We have an ignition lead wire. Plug and play connectors for the same. Even the connectors are of very high quality. Now comes the main wiring harness. A neat and simple job. Consists of plug and play couplers, a relay, and a safety fuse rated 15 amps. I will keep you posted on the installation soon. Bye guys.